Hey guys, I thought this interview needed a little intro. This interview is with an independent filmmaker that came to Gainesville Makers Faire, and I thought it was interesting because of the 3D modeling and stuff that they're doing on this independent film. They're doing it all themselves. They're not outsourcing any of it. So I thought it was really cool that Stephen Delorme, the creator, the writer, the director, the 3D guru, was the one at the Maker Faire. So that's what this interview is about. But as a special to my viewing audience, Stephen has released a never before seen preview for you. So stay tuned after the interview for a preview of the upcoming Salvage Mission 9. All right, I'm standing here with Stephen, and they're shooting an independent film called
Salvage Mission 9.
All right, so why don't you tell us a little bit about it, Stephen?
Well, basically, you know, your typical post-apocalyptic movie is like, okay, society collapses, a bunch of people get in their BDSM leather gear, drive around, start eating people, right? I mean, that's like every post-apoc movie you've ever seen. So I wanted to do something a little more from a hacker-maker perspective, focus on how people would use, you know, tools and machines and, you know, their skills and technology to survive in the future. I got you. So yeah. So now you're here at a Makers Faire. Mm-hmm. So what's the purpose of you being here? Basically, because I think that my film would be of interest to, you know, this demographic, and also because, you know, I'm kind of here to share my visual effects and 3D modeling knowledge with people. So I do a lot of compositing in Blender and After Effects, and so one thing I'm doing at my table here is kind of sharing my process and how I compose my shots. Right, I got you. Yeah, and I saw you using Blender, which is really cool because I have friends that use Blender. Now, how long have you been doing graphic arts, and how did you get into this type of thing? Let's see, I mean, drawing since I was a kid, yada yada, that's everybody's story. I guess I started in like 2009 doing websites and stuff like that, and then it just kind of exploded into video and motion graphics and all that kind of stuff. Awesome. So, and now you told me that you're in Douglasville, Georgia. Mm-hmm. So you're shooting this all on? My property. So I've got a kind of a farm property in Douglasville, and I got 10 acres, and we're doing it all there. There's a lot of broken cars and junk, and it's the perfect setting. Well, and one thing that brought me over here is because you are 3D modeling, and, you know, I do 3D printers. So what's the likelihood that in your movie somebody could find a 3D printer and print something? Highly likely. That's friggin' awesome. Well, Stephen, thank you for your time, man. And where can they find you? SalvageMission9.com. All right, and you're going to do for funding? We're going to do a crowdfunding campaign. Sweet. So a bunch of you geeks out there would love to get in on this. I know you would. Maybe producer credits or something? Yeah. If you chip in enough, I think that could be arranged. All right, sweet, man. Thank you, Stephen. Appreciate it, buddy. So much.